So, well, actually, I think it's actually good because we're going from warmed up and then to warm, and then yeah. So let's do warmed up. This is actually interesting. So it's a bit of hexadecimal and decimal. So the hexadecimal here is the base 16 and the decimal, generally the normal characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, but in cybersecurity or programming, it's not normal numbers. So we have the decimal base 10. This is the normal number that we see. And the base 16 is the hexadecimal version of a number. So let's see a hint. Submit your answer in a flag format. For example, if your answer was 22, we would submit PicoCTF 22 as the flag. Now here we have what is 0x3d base 16 in decimal base 10. What is the base? Actually, what is base 16 in? So what is the decimal format of this value here? So this leads us to another. It takes us to another way of viewing figures on our terminal. So we are only required to convert this into base 10 from base 16, and this can be easily achieved, I think, using a Python script or online tool. You can use CyberChef, by the way. We have cyberchef.io online. I'll show you how to use it, and I'll also show you how to use this on your terminal. And it includes a bit of Python in it. So we have, let's move into our terminal. Let's first check out cyberchef.io. Here we go. So this is CyberChef. So let's over here copy this out and then move into CyberChef. So here we have the input. Put this in here and then let's check from hex. You're supposed to put the common search over here, decimal. Yeah, so let's take this back and then press this decimal. Interesting, yeah? Okay, so 0x3d in hexadecimal. Well, let's do this. Wait a minute. So I think okay, let's first check our terminal. So clear on this. Yeah, so we'll first go into typing Python because we're going to be using Python to decode this script. To decode it, Python 3, and we're going to be using the tag C. So we are pushing it directly. So we're only using a single line, a single command. No need to create a whole script and then run it separately. So we're using the tag C to make it into a single line command. And then quotation marks. So use the print. So print the integer format of the integer format display. Then round bracket, and then now in here is where we type our values. You have the 3D, the last value, so 3D. After the, oh yeah, and they still need a single quotation mark, so 3D, then comma. So we are turning this from base 16 to less 16. Yeah, I think, and that's it. So this will decode from base 16, which is the hexadecimal, into base 10, which is a decimal. So hit enter on it, we have 61. When we go back into CyberChef, so remember, we got the format that's supposed to be submitting this. So copy on this. Yeah, let's head back into CyberChef. I mean, here, so let's do the PicoCTF. Yeah, the curly bracket, and then paste our answer in there, then submit it. Let's see if we still got the correct plug. So that's how we decode from hexadecimal to decimal. And using CyberChef over here, remember we had the 3D. 3D to decimal will actually not. Let's reload this first. At 3D, so push comes from hex decimal. Yeah, and that's how we do it, from hexadecimal and then into decimal. We still got the same answer, 61. And that's how it is. So next is tool.